What's going on, guys? I just got some stuff in the mail that I had ordered for my iPhone XS Max. It finally came in. I've been waiting a couple weeks. So I just wanted to open it up real quick and see what it looks like on the phone and let you guys take a look right along with me. This is the first time I'm looking at it. So I ordered it, but I haven't seen it in person yet. Wow. Representing the country colors. Well, I already cut the top, but oh well. Not bad. Hey, it's a pretty sturdy case too. And this came all the way from China. Believe it or not. I got it off of Amazon via China. All right. Not bad. I tell you what though, there's no screen protection here. There's no lip there. Your camera's fine, but as far as the lip goes, you can forget about it. But I have a screen protector on my device anyways. Those are your cutouts at the bottom. I don't know if you can see those, but yeah, you got your cutouts. Your up and down volume, not bad. Easy access to your mute switch. And the power button feels pretty good. So all in all, it feels pretty good. It looks pretty good. But as far as if you drop your phone on the face, you gotta hope and pray that this screen protector works. I forgot what I paid for this on Amazon, but I saw it. It's representing the country, my land of birth, so I had to get it. There's no doubt about it. It looks pretty damn good too, if you ask me. Got that nice gloss finish to it. All right, that was the one thing I ordered. Now let's see what's in here. Priority meal. Slickwraps. All right, let's see what we got from Slickwraps. Microfiber cloth. Boom. Ha! Representing the country. And that's all that's in there. Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is the full. That's to go all the way around the phone. But I think I'm going to go with this one right here. This just does the back. This one does the back and the sides. So you got your cutouts for your volume up, volume down, your mute switch, your power button. That's for your SIM ejector, your speaker grills. Interesting. Very interesting. So I got this from Slickwraps, obviously. Now, this is my second Slickwraps. I did one for my Note 9. Right here. I had gotten this for my Note 9. It looked pretty good. My Note 8. What am I talking about? I skipped the Note 9 this year. But yeah, this was on my Note 8. It looked pretty good on the back of my Note 8. So that's why I went with Slickwraps again. I know there are other brands out there who do skins, but I went, like I said, I went with Slickwraps. They had I think I got this for 50% off. I paid $12 for the two of these. That's not bad. The only thing, my only beef, was the shipping. It took about 3.5 weeks for them to get it to me. But when I reached out to them, they said normally when they have that 50% off sale, it takes a while for them to process all the purchases that they had. Then they had, obviously, it's a customized skin, so they got to take their time, put it together, And I appreciate that. You know, I was a little bit impatient. You know, I had just gotten the phone, and I wanted to get it customized. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna put this on, and we'll see what it looks like. Sit tight.